Hi friends, Allie here, and today I am in Deuteronomy 31:6 and talking about being brave, and I'm doing a quick napkin technique and using a kit from Scribbles on my heart. And I'm not really going to go in depth with this video talking about what I'm doing and all of that, but I am going to link all the products I use below that I can find and just really speed this up and kind of put some music on and let you just kind of watch me create. I don't do this a lot, and this is not a video that I filmed knowing what I was doing, so it'd be really hard for me to explain it all to you. And so you'll get to see where I mess up and where I kind of fix it and all of that. So I'm going to put on some music and just let you watch and enjoy. So that's my page, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like this, I really hope that you like the video and then subscribe to my channel to see a lot more videos like this. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.